Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Okay, you guys, when I'm searching for thrifted DIY materials, I always come to the frame section because I never know what I'm going to see. And check this out. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to pull this up, you guys. Let's see. Oh, Lord. Nope. But I want you guys to kind of see that she's like this gigantic, sticky, pokey jab situation. Looks like a piece of wall art for $2.99. And she's perfect as she is. But we could always upcycle by giving it a different color of paint. But where are you going to get a gigantic piece of wall art like that for $2.99? The only place you're going to get it is thrifted. Love that. Let's see what else I've got over here. I love this giant frame here. You guys see that? Now the frame is $4.99 and it does have the breaks for the different size photos, but you can take that mat out and then just have this frame, which would totally be worth it. I love that. Let's see what else we can track down. Always grabbing shadow box frames. Shadow box frames are some of my favorite to work with. Let me see what we've got here. $2.99. Love that. She's got a nice shadow to her. This is cute. This actually looks like somebody's DIY, but it's not. $2.99 for this beautiful kind of framed canvas piece. I also love that they have pieces like this. No, I don't think that's $3.99 because let's be for real. Oh, it did come from Hobby Lobby, I think, but I still think $3.99 for this is a little high because I think we could get that from the Dollar Tree. So it's not always going to be a good deal, but sometimes we can find good deals. Now this looks like somebody's DIY, but I know they probably grabbed it from the store. $1.99 on that. I personally like these wood frames that are styled like this and slightly recessed. What are we trying to get for this? Okay, now $1.99 for this is actually a good deal to me. I love that. This kitchen is for dancing. That is cute as is. I also really love these kind of elongated frames. I feel like there's a lot that can be done with these. It's a little dark over on this side, but you guys see kind of yes, I love that. $3.99 for that. That's a little higher than I would go. Well, let's see if we see anything else. You guys let me know if you guys see anything too. This is kind of cute. If I can get that without that part going down. I like the kind of tray. Is that right? 1, 2, 3 design of this frame. I've never seen anything like that. $2.99. The back came out, John. $2.99 for that. No worries. We're going to grab that and pull that back up. But yeah, that is very, very cute. That's cute too, but now I'm scared to pick anything up, y'all. Let's see what else we can track down. I like this. This is another one. Do you see this, you guys? This actually looks like it was pieced together. I don't know if you guys can see. By individual colored pieces. Now this might be a good frame to try to recreate as a DIY. Maybe using those kind of tumbling tower blocks in your little miter saw. I might actually give that a shot, you guys, because sometimes when I'm thrifting, I get inspiration. So $2.99, she's nice and thick. I think that's what somebody did, you guys. They pieced together these colored blocks and then placed them on top of a frame. That's a smart DIY. I'm going to see if I can maybe recreate this. So this is the piece that we are going to use as our inspiration. Let's head back home and see what we come up with. So that colorful black piece is going to be the one that we're going to utilize as our inspiration. And since I needed a frame, I went ahead and thrifted this square one on that same day. So because I'm going to be hot gluing my blocks to this frame, I am going to go ahead and score it so that I have better adhesion. So I just wanted to point out that I am using a larger size tumbling tower block, okay? Now, Dollar Tree came out with these, I think it was around the holidays. They were obviously in the toy section, and they cost more like $5 as opposed to the smaller one, and I wanted you guys to see the size comparison. So for me, that piece that we're using as our inspiration was a little too colorful for my style. So I am going for different tones of wood. What you'll see me do is add 3 different kind of wood tones, if you will, to baggies so that I can go ahead and get these blocks stained. You will see me later realize that I also needed a darker color, and so I will stain a few blocks black as well. So now that I have my blocks stained and dried, I am literally just going to be placing these blocks onto this frame in a way that makes sense to me and my eye. I am not concerned about staying within the confines of the size of the original frame. I am just kind of doing whatever it is that I like. I'm going to speed this process up for you guys so that you guys can see how I pull this together. So this piece is very much so my style. The different tones of wood mean that I can pretty much place this anywhere in my home and use it to add a bit of an accent. I love it, but let me know if you guys love it too.